Hello my friends, my name is Stella Sky, and in this video I will show you 30 Midjourney styles ranging from 20 to 49. To demonstrate these styles, I use two prompts, a beautiful woman and fantasy. Additionally, I am including a PDF with all the styles as a freebie for my newsletter subscribers. If you want to get it, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my newsletter. After that, join my free community, AI Business Mastermind on School, where you will find all the newsletter freebies. Links are in the description and in the pinned comment. At the end of the video, I will show 10 of my favorite styles tested on unique, short prompts. Let's get started. Which style code is your favorite? Did you discover another style that you love? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. You're Stella Sky.